Cloud computing has transformed the way businesses manage their operations and technology. It offers a flexible and efficient way to access resources and services without the need for costly on-site infrastructure. Here are 3 key advantages of using cloud computing. Cost savings. Cloud computing eliminates the need for expensive hardware and maintenance costs. Instead of investing in servers, storage, and networking equipment, you pay for only the resources you use. This reduces upfront expenses and allows businesses to allocate budgets more effectively. Additionally, the cloud minimizes downtime and IT overhead, further saving money. Scalability and flexibility. One of the greatest benefits of cloud computing is the ability to scale resources up or down based on your needs. Whether you're experiencing a surge in traffic or need extra storage for a specific project, cloud platforms allow you to adapt quickly, without the hassle of purchasing and installing new equipment. This flexibility is perfect for businesses of all sizes, allowing you to grow at your own pace. Enhance collaboration. Cloud computing enables employees to collaborate in real time, no matter where they're located. Files, applications, and data can be accessed securely from any device with an internet connection. This improves productivity and allows teams to work together more efficiently, even across multiple locations or time zones. Cloud computing offers countless benefits for modern businesses, helping to save money, increase flexibility, and improve collaboration. If you'd like to learn more about how cloud solutions can benefit your organization, give our team a call. We're happy to help.